everybody, this is Oscar with Integrity Auto Collision. I want to show you guys something to look out for. The insurance company on this vehicle wrote the estimate to replace lower control arm with an aftermarket control arm, replace the outer arm for an aftermarket arm, and also the inner linkage. I want to show you what the difference between the aftermarket and the original parts are. If we look closely, I'm going to measure this lower control arm. So if we look closely on this lower control arm, the thickness on this is 32.70. Now let's take a look at the other side. Okay, now looking at the original side, we can see that it's 3604, meaning there is a difference from the original side to the aftermarket side. Now let's take a look at the inner tie rod. So we have 13.67 millimeters. Let's take a look at the original side. We have 15.18 millimeters. So definitely this side is thicker. Thicker material, different alloy probably. So that's something that you definitely want to take a look at. You want to know what type of parts are you getting for replacement parts. Is it original from the factory? Are they used parts? Are they reconditioned parts? Or are they aftermarket parts? In this case, we have aftermarket parts. Somebody else started doing the suspension work. He got to our shop. Now we're going to do it the right way. We're going to replace it with original parts. This is a safety issue. This should never be done on any car.